How to delete your Instagram recent search history on your Instagram mobile application. I'll do this tutorial on my Android phone, but you can always do so on your iOS device or your other Android vendor's phone as well. As always, if you want to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's go. First off, just make sure that your Instagram is already updated. Your Instagram version already is the latest and the greatest. You can check Play Store or App Store for that. And once you deem it ready, just go to your Instagram application on your mobile, fire it up. And from that dashboard, just go to your bottom right corner, go to your profile button, just click it. And then from that profile screen, just go to your top right button, aka your hamburger button, click it. Here's your activity right below the Insights menu. This is your activity screen. You'll be presented with that. Just choose recent searches from there. After you click the recent searches, you'll be presented with a search history screen where it will display all your recent searches. To delete it one by one, you can always click the cross button or the close button next to the name of the account. You can also clear everything. A dialog will pop up. If you want to clear it all, just click clear all and it will sanitize basically your Instagram application or your account right away. And that's pretty much how you clear your Instagram search history on the latest Instagram application. If you find this content tutorial helpful and you wanted to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you wanted to have a suggestion, a discussion, or even a topic that you want us at Simply How to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section. Cheers, bye YouTube.